Here comes your pre-market summary for Thursday, June 8th. Futures back in negative territory once again, coming off a bit of a stall yesterday for the current rally to the upside, specifically for tech stocks. It was the NASDAQ that led us back downside. There's the Qs right now, chopping around basically break even on the session, slightly lower, about 0.3. That's what happened yesterday, though. It was all about the NASDAQ and tech after an initial move higher. Just sold off all day long. A couple of things of notes coming up here at 8:30. Initial jobless claims, week over week number, 235,000 expected. Continuing claims, 1.8 million expected. And then at 10 o'clock, we get wholesale inventories coming through as well. We'll bring that to you. Overall, as I said, it was all about the Qs yesterday. The NASDAQ downside, big ugly red candle on the daily chart. The S&P not as bad. This solid, strong uptrend still very much intact. Wall Street Journal reporting not only is Netflix going to continue on the ad-supported side, but yeah, Amazon Prime Video subscribers going to have the ability to subscribe to an ad-supported tier, lower priced ad-supported tier for Amazon. So we'll talk about that. Lucid back to the upside today, looking pretty good. On this note, the company set to enter the Chinese market as well. Obviously U.S. company. So getting into Tesla's territory a little bit. GME downside in a huge way coming off of earnings. Yep, CEO gone as well. The fifth in 5 years. CEO is out for GameStop, down huge here. 20+% so far in the pre-market for GME. Tesla considering apparently this morning, the Wall Street Journal looking at Spain for its next manufacturing facility, the Valencia area specifically for Spain. Not that that matters, but we'll talk about Tesla once again. All of the Chinese EV makers to the upside this morning as well. On this note, China passenger sales in May or China passenger car sales, I should say, in May back to the upside once again. We'll touch on Meta. A couple of interesting notes here. They're adding this channels feature to WhatsApp. There was an EU decision on some questionable content for its platforms as well. So Meta under pressure yesterday, looking like it's going to continue that way today. Uber up on this note as well. Interesting note about ride sharing. You're going to be able to see your carbon footprint when you take an Uber coming up here shortly. Grab the watch list, guys. Use that QR code on screen right now. We'll see you at 8:30 again. A little bit of economic data this morning. We'll see you shortly on TraderTV.Live.